Narcissist monkey branch without guilt. In today's session, you're going to learn 5 things as to how narcissism fuels monkey branching. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. Without any further ado, number 1 is validation addiction. Narcissists need constant supply or admiration, known as the narcissistic supply. And if you're not giving enough, they seek it somewhere else. They just go and find it somewhere else. This is the first thing, that they need validation constantly. It's so hard for them to sit without it. So hard for them to not to feel the center of the fucking universe. And this is why they will they will seek validation elsewhere. And there is nothing that you can do about it. You say, oh, maybe I will validate them even more. There's nothing you can do about it because there is no cap. There is no like cap. For them, it's just give me as much as I can. As much as I can, and eventually they will seek it somewhere else. It's inevitable. Number 2 is no real emotional bonds. Since narcissists often form shallow connections, it's easy for them to jump ship without guilt, especially if someone better in their eyes shows interest. For them, everybody will be better because the novelty, they are addicted to novelty. They want the new shiny object. The grass is always greener on the other side, where they, as far as they're concerned, they don't have a very realistic view of the world as it is. They made up a story inside their mind about how things should go. And you already know because you've been with them. And this is just chaotic to be with this kind of person. And I want to just say at this point of the video that you dodged the bullet, my friend. And this video just here to validate you even more, to understand that you dodged the bullet. And number 3 is backup relationships all the time. They often keep options on the side. They may flirt, emotionally cheat, or even groom someone else while still with you. This is just the other monkey, the other branch. They are the monkey, the people are branches. They use people as pawns in their game. They jump from one to another just to suck the life out of this person and this person. And when this person dried up, they go back to you or to another person. I don't need to tell you that you dodged the bullet. I mean, I will tell you this as many times as as you need to hear, just for you to understand that you're really on the right track now without this person. Don't even think about talking to them or getting them back ever. Number 4 is blame shifting. When caught, they'll often just flip the script and say, you were too clingy, we were already broken, and this is your fault. They will just shift blame everywhere and never take never take responsibility or the blame for their fucking actions. They just blame it on everybody. They did this, they did it. And even my ex, I remember, you know what she told me? Super funny and actually kind of sad at the same time. She said, Jesus told me to go with the other person. I'm like, wow, that's a whole new level of spiritual bypassing. Using Jesus to justify cheating, monkey branching. Whoa, I was like, wow. And she's a Christian, like a very, yeah, it was so weird to hear that. And I remember I had a phase and I said, Jesus, do you hate me? Like, why did you do that? I'm Jewish, but I mean, I have a relationship with God. I have a relationship with Jesus. I got a relationship with all of the spiritual. I have a very strong spiritual connection. And I had a time when I was mad at Jesus. I was like, why did you do this to me? Why you told her? It was really, I took it really personal. But again, you guys, you can't take anything personal that the narcissist is doing because, hey, they just will blame shift, spiritual bypassing, and doing all that kind of shit. You got to take care of yourself now. Number 5 is discard and replace. You're either a source of supply or you're not. When you're not useful anymore, they move on cold and quickly. You feel like, how can you do this so cold? Like, how is it even possible? You act like you don't even know me. You act like I was nothing to you. You'll catch yourself and you will it will take some time to heal from a narcissist. It takes time. It takes a little bit of time. And of course, if you need professional help, please feel free to reach out and I can help you and guide you. But for now, just understand that it will take a little bit of time. Give yourself the time and the grace. These kind of videos can help you at the beginning just to get the initial understanding of what happened, why they did what they did. And then my hope is that you will grow into other type of videos that will help you grow as an individual. These breakup videos are here to help you get the realizations, put back energy into you. And once you get the realization and you get this energy, you pour it in yourself in a form of working out, eating right, reading, working on your goals, on your vision, on your purpose, and just elevating you as a person in each and every, in all the areas of life. And yeah, if you need extra help, check the link in the description below for the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program. If you need to talk to me, of course, I will be here for you. Just take care of yourself. At this point, just take care of yourself. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.